future, not just one day, not just one vacation, but into the life that you are creating. This is the time of year to do that. Breakthrough is the event where we do that. And so today I am going to turn our call over to Coach Fard Bell so that he can take us into the last week of 2025. So Coach Bell, are you ready, sir?
I am. Do you see my two devices?
I do. I will have you set up on both, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. And great morning, everybody. Wow. We are in the last 72 hours of 2025. And I remember, 2025 to me was always like that year in the future that, man, one day it's going to be 2025. You know, my most memorable 5-year vision was set around 2025. I wrote it in 2020. And it was Vision 2025. And that's where like the highlight of all my goals and dreams really like came together. And it's very interesting how things are playing out.